Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, Misty's Pleasures of Life, and good old southern home cooking, and baking. I love to bake, I love to cook, I love all of it. Y'all, in my video vlog today, you are going to see what we did for the 4th of July, and then after that, you're going to see me having to organize my refrigerator at the end of the month. So it looks really great now. I love it. I hope you all will like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and comment and share. I would greatly appreciate it. I thank each and every one of you. You are my extended family and mean so much. All right, y'all, let's get the vlog going. And don't forget, share, y'all, and comment. I'll see you next time.
The oven's aglow, the table's set wide. Family and friends, come on inside. With each loving dish, we create our own tales. In every sweet moment, happiness prevails. Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
Alright, y'all, I forgot to film some of my stuff that I've been doing. So we're cleaning out the refrigerator and organizing everything in the refrigerator. And I'm hoping that y'all can see me, because I'm feeling like I might not have it high enough. But anyway, let me get over here and keep doing what I was doing. Warm up my rag again. Kitchen is clean from live breakfast this morning. I hope everybody enjoyed that mixed berry compote cream cheese crepe breakfast recipe today. Now, I don't think anything on this side right here really needs to get pulled out. I'm going to move the ketchup and mustard down here, and the Cattleman's. Yeah, these really aren't dirty. These really aren't dirty, y'all, if you can hear me. This is some cheese. So I'm going to try to make sure all the salad dressing stays over here. I don't know if y'all can hear me, because I don't have my mic on. This is cheese. Let me pause that. Y'all done, oh, there it is. I thought I misplaced my rag. So this part right here, I'm just going to put the salad dressing. So we have some Catalina. We have some French. This, I do not like this stuff. I think I'm going to get rid of that. I mean, it goes in recipes. We have our sugar-free ketchup. So I'll just sit that down here with this. And then we got that French dressing. We've got some balsamic, some ranch. And then I'm just gonna put this seafood, I don't even know how to say it. It's a dipping sauce. So I'm gonna set that right there. This is getting trashed. This is cocktail sauce. So we'll go back up on this shelf. It's a lot. Here comes Spongy. She just took a bath. And she's got a hair mask on.
Well, no, I washed it. It was supposed to be on there for 10 minutes. I had to rinse it out. I gotta comb my hair now. I gotta comb it and put some stuff in it.
Alright, well come on through, Spongy. I'm trying to do that refrigerator. Alright, Spongy's out of the way now, thank God. Okay. So back to what I was doing. So we got this ranch right here. I'm going to put on this side. And then we got some crescent dough sheets. I'm going to be using these. This is for our coffee, so it's going to go on the shelf for the coffee. I don't know why I got cheese right there. So that's crescent dough sheets. And then I have one can of crescent rolls. This, that's got to go in that. Alright, y'all, we've almost got this refrigerator done, but I've got two of the hardest parts left to do, and that's the vegetable bins. So I'm gonna put my bacon in my meat, in that long tray that you pull out right here. I'm just gonna sit that right in here. So I've got enough bacon. I got 2 packs of sausage, 2 packs of bacon, 2.5 packs of bacon. And I did order a few more groceries. I got some more eggs because I only have 1 pack of eggs left, as far as I know. All right, so let me finish this, cleaning this out. I think I'm also, now I think I'll put my cheeses right here in the side compartment. That's what I'm going to do with my block cheeses. So again, this is one of the Cracker Barrels we're going to put in the side compartment. And then I'm going to take the other cheese blocks, like the Kraft, which this isn't my favorite. I prefer Cracker Barrel. But I'm going to take those and put them up here too. and get them out of my meat drawer. That way, I know exactly what I have available. And I will show you, I'll bring y'all over here and show you the after result of doing this. And then my 2 avocados, I'm just going to put in my long meat pull-out drawer. Those are garlic cloves. I'm going to put these down here too. And I've got some extra cream cheese. I wonder if that could go in front of that like that. Yeah. Where's my other block? Put this other 2-pack in here. And I'm going to take this little lunch meat and put it down in the long meat tray. Along with the pepperoni. And just wash out that drawer. And I'm going to show you the after. I'm not going to show you any more of me standing there doing this and that. Okay, y'all. Everything is clean and done and scrubbed and washed. My yogurt's up there. Everything is nice and organized. And when I make the birthday cake, it's got a spot to sit right there, wrapped in plastic wrap. Each layer is supposed to be wrapped up. It's our side drawers. It's our cheese. That's my homemade chicken broth right there. I'm going to use to make homemade chicken noodle soup. That's it, y'all. Everything's done. Thank God it's done. All right. Until next month.
Like a train, you'll hear me coming from 100 miles away. I don't ever remember running as fast as when I'm after you to stay. When I tell you that I promise, that's exactly what I mean. It's you, yeah, it's always been you, and everyone around can see. It's true, yeah, it's a dream come true, that you're the only one for me. And darling, you're proof that we're always gonna make it through, 'cause you only wanna be with me, and I